Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? John, Bell plus oo plus she. Bell, oo, she. John Belushi. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Classic Concentration, and a warm welcome, if you please, for two winners on our program. Each of these contestants has picked up some good stuff. First of all, the lady on my right, Margaret Pelliccioni. Welcome back to you, Margaret.
Thank you, Alex.
Good luck today.
Thank you.
You got that one strike against you.
I know.
But so does your opponent. His name is Carlos Rivas. Welcome. And good luck. Take a look over here. If you guys enjoy traveling, then I think you'll like this prize.
Be a cowboy, Canadian style, and cause your own stampede up in exciting Calgary, Canada.
That's it.
We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Calgary, and you'll spend 6 nights at Calgary's Port-a-Call Inn. Superlative guest amenities for personal or business travel, suite accommodations, health club with indoor pool, fine dining and live entertainment furnished by the Port-a-Call Inn. Alex.
And where can we find that Canadian vacation in Calgary? At number 10. All right, Margaret, you lead us off today.
I will do my best. Number 16, please.
Washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer. Yes, I can do that. Number 12.
Pearl necklace. Better prize. Carlos.
Okay, let's go over to number 9, please.
His and her backpacks.
Okay, let's find a match to that right under at 14.
No, there's the washer and dryer. Margaret.
Number 16, please.
Correct.
Oh, my. Number 14. You're shocked, so am I.
Yeah, the brain, isn't it amazing the way our brain will abandon us for just a fraction of a second?
But it takes a nap every day at this time.
That's all right. That's all right. It didn't cost you anything. You made the match, you've got the prize in your column, and you get a look at the puzzle.
Oh, too soon, I think.
Go again.
Number 4, please.
Red take.
And number 22.
Wild card, so the take is coming your way. The other one on the board at number 25. Here you go, and down here, 3 panels. Swing.
Still just a little bit early, I think.
All right, go again.
Okie dokie. Number 21, please.
Electronic typewriter.
And with 2 left hands. Number 5.
Cookware set. No match. Carlos.
Okay, let's go to number 12.
Pearl necklace.
You've seen that. Okay, well, let's just find the match in under number 1.
No. Toaster, oven, and broiler. Margaret.
We did see that, but I think I did. Number 19, please.
Yes, toaster, oven, and broiler.
Number 6, please. Oh, no, no, no.
No, no, indeed. You've just helped Carlos make
certainly
2 matches, perhaps. Carlos.
If I can recall him. Let's try number 6.
Calgary.
Number 10 for the match.
Calgary. Right. Well, you recalled one of them. Got one of them up there, Carlos. Take a look now. Try it again.
Okay, how about number 1?
Toaster, oven, and broiler.
And was the match at 19?
Toaster, oven, and broiler. Yes, that's the other one.
Okay.
But now you're on your own.
That's right.
Margaret helped you to those 2, but nothing else. Swing them open, please. Go again.
Okay, we need to see what's behind number 7.
Wild card.
Beautiful, beautiful.
So when he's left to his own devices, Margaret, he does all right.
He certainly does.
And to go with the diamond ring from my mom yesterday, how about number 12?
12, the pearl necklace. That's a lovely prize. The other one, number 24, 3 doors opening to help Carlos solve the puzzle. Is it enough?
Not yet.
Go again.
See what's behind number 21?
Electronic typewriter.
Gonna have to make the match at number 18.
Cookware set. No match. Margaret.
Number 18. I believe that cookware set was under number 5.
Yes.
And number 18, please.
You are correct.
Ooh, good. Now I have to go back to cooking.
Well, before you get back to cooking, you have
Yes.
to consider the fact that you have this take and he has a Canadian vacation.
Which would be fantastic.
Pearl necklace. You've got a pearl necklace.
I have a pearl necklace. I'm going to save it just for a moment.
All right.
Just for a
A little
moment.
bit of strategy here on
Maybe
Margaret's
the last
part.
chance.
Carlos
Okay,
says it may be
Carlos.
your last chance. We'll see about that. Open these two panels for Margaret. Select again. What, did it just
Oh.
come to you at the end?
I think so.
All right, well, make a match.
Number 3, please.
Shelving system.
And we haven't seen that, but I can use it, and we'll try number 13, please.
VCR.
Oh.
Carlos.
Well, those are two new ones. How about number 8?
Green take.
A match at number 20.
VCR. Margaret.
Number 13, please.
VCR.
And number 20 for the VCR.
All right. Now, if indeed you feel you can solve the puzzle, this might be an appropriate time to use this.
I'm going to take that Canadian vacation. Love
A wise choice. Let's see if she gets to enjoy a holiday in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. She will if she solves the puzzle right now.
Canada. Is a common denominator.
Common denominator. Yes, it is. Oh, boy. Way to go, Margaret. Good win, too. Come on, Margaret. Hang on.
I sure will. As fast as that.
Go ahead and explain.
Okie dokie. We have the crow saying caw, and we have the man. The D plus the gnaw of the beaver, plus the men, plus the 8, plus the or. Denominator. Common denominator.
Common denominator. Yes, indeed. And Carlos, 2 strikes, but you've got a holiday in Nevada, and you've got about $6,379.
And I enjoyed my time.
Good. I'm glad you did.
Thank you.
Take
Good
care,
luck.
Carlos.
Nice
So long.
knowing you, Carlos.
All right, Margaret. Prize is coming your way, and Gene's going to tell you about them right now. Gene.
A cookware set. A 7-piece set of bras, Oro Enox stainless steel cookware featuring brass handles plus diffuser bottoms for better heat distribution. For quality in your cooking and elegance on your table, furnished by Bra. And a VCR. This Sanyo VCR features 4-head double azimuth special effects system, 38-key remote control, 1-year 6-event timer, and new step-by-step on-screen programming, furnished by Sanyo. And a washer and dryer. The Hot Point extra large capacity washer features hand wash agitator for delicate loads and offers energy-saving variable water levels. The matching Hot Point dryer automatically senses when clothes are dry. It features adjustable end-of-cycle signal and convenient upfront lint filter furnished by Hot Point. And, of course, exciting Calgary, Canada. A prize package worth $4,766.
And Margaret's going to play for a car again when we return. Now, this is your second time playing for a brand new car. Let's see if it works. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
3, 6,
No,
1, 4,
no,
7, 10,
no,
9, 12,
no,
2, 3.
no,
Oh, dear. 13, 14,
no,
10, 3. Oh,
No.
I'm going back to that. 3, 6,
no,
5, 8,
no.
3, 8,
Yep,
4, 9,
no.
13, 15. That was terrible. It really was.
There didn't seem to be a great deal of logic in your selection of numbers. You were all over the board, and I feel, based on my experience, having watched hundreds and hundreds of players up here, that if you go all over without a set pattern in your mind, it's difficult to remember. If you stick to a set pattern, it's easier. You know, hey, I saw it up in that left-hand corner, I think, you know.
You have a recommendation?
Yeah, just take them in order. Take the numbers in order, call them one at a time after the first few, and concentrate like mad. I don't think I could do it, I'll tell you, if the clock was
I do it at
ticking
home.
against me.
You see?
Yeah, but the clock isn't ticking against you at home. But you've got $5,965 in prizes. So you're doing all right. Break time for us. Margaret won herself a lovely holiday in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, but now she has to face a different kind of unknown. A new player on Classic Concentration, and his name is Eric Leviton.
That's right. Hi, Alex.
Welcome.
How you doing?
I'm all right.
Good.
Where are you from?
I am from Irvine, California.
What do you do?
I wait tables at various restaurants over the place for the last couple of years. Since I've graduated from UCLA, I haven't had a real steady job.
What did you major in at UCLA?
I majored
waiting
in
on tables?
Yeah, waiting in tables. That's exactly what I majored in, theater.
Theater.
Yeah.
Does that mean you're a struggling actor?
Yeah, I'm singing. I sing with a couple friends of mine, though.
What kind of singing do you
We
do?
do a cappella doo-wop music.
A cappella doo-wop music?
Yeah, we're a group called The Shades.
The Shades. That sounds good.
I hear you sing.
No, you don't.
No, I heard that. I did.
No,
I would like to hear that sometime.
You hear wrong. Trust me. If you heard me sing, you would know that I do not sing. So make a smooth transition, Alex. Thank you, I will. Let's take a look at one of the prizes in this game.
Lane's Settee Cedar Chest with tumbleweed finish has combined seating and storage, offers the best from the past and heirloom treasures of the future. Furnished by Lane. Alex.
Marjorie has all these lovely stuffed animals in there. Isn't that great? Let's show Eric and Margaret where we will find the chest. It is at number 25. Just one wild card in this game, Eric. You get to pick first, but because it's the second game of the day, we have the bonus seconds in there. We have the cash pot with $500, and we have a holiday in Vero Beach, Florida.
Really?
Margaret's not too interested in that because she's from Tarpon Springs?
Tarpon Springs.
Tarpon Springs, Florida.
I'll take that.
All right.
I'll take that. So we'll go for
Go to
the
work.
trip. Let's start with lucky number 7.
Stereo?
Stereo would be good. I need a new stereo. How about right below it in number 17?
Encyclopedia set. No match. Margaret?
Okie dokie, let's try number 4, please.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. How about number 13 to match?
No,
Red
red
tape.
take. Eric?
All right, let's try number 1. Red tape.
Red tape.
And number 13.
Oh,
Red take,
right.
yeah.
All right.
Margaret has a habit of helping her opponents make a lot of matches. Then she buries you. She wins the game. So
Not gonna
watch out for her.
I appreciate it.
Take a look here. Select again.
Okay, let's try number 8, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
Really could use that. How about number 19?
Microwave oven. No match. Margaret?
gonna have to try to find a match for those bonus card seconds. Not that I need them, of course.
No.
Number 22, please.
Assorted parlor games.
Oh.
Are you into games?
Yes,
You card
a lot
player?
of games. Card playing,
Play
a
gin?
bingo, and gin.
Oh, you
Love
like
gin.
bingo, huh?
Yes.
You ever win?
Of course not. I mean, I'm telling you, but actually I do, but don't let my husband know.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay?
Make a match.
Sorry, parlor games. At number 11, please.
Wild card, so it's just as good as if it were there naturally. The other assorted parlor games are at number 10, and they go into this column, yours, Margaret, and we open
Thank you.
3 panels for you.
Not just yet, I'm afraid.
All right, go again.
Number 21.
Vero Beach, Florida.
Someplace I always like to go because it's on the other coast.
Right.
Okay? And how about number 15?
How about 15? Dining
A
set.
dining set.
Eric.
Okay.
All right, well, let's try right down the bottom, 23.
Encyclopedia.
Seems to me that was under number 17.
Was it? Yes.
All right, all right.
You've got the tape, and she's got the parlor games.
I think I'm going to wait on the tape real quick and see if she gets that trip or something like that.
All right.
Just wait.
Open these 2 doors up over the encyclopedia. Select.
Okay, how about number 3? Oh, and Barca's bonus seconds were under number 8. Yes, indeedy. All right.
Do it.
Okay.
Try it again.
All right. How about we need to see what's under number 9? Cash pot.
Cash pot.
Seems to me cash pot was under number 5. No.
Diamond and topaz earrings. Margaret?
My mind hasn't failed me. Let's try number 16. My mind has failed me.
But Vero
I've
Beach
lost
is there.
that. I know.
You've seen
Did I
that
do that
before.
before?
Where?
Number 20? No, I'm done.
Number 20. Cedar
Oh,
chest. No.
see?
Eric.
Thank you, Margaret. Number
You're
16 and number 21.
21 is the
Yeah.
combination. Yes. Want to use the take or do you want to keep it?
Let's wait one more turn.
All right.
I think I can make another match.
Let's open it up.
No, not yet. Let's try number 4
Make that match.
and number 9.
Cash
All
pot,
right,
cash
there we
pot.
go.
There's a
All right.
match.
Oh, I like that
You're wiping me out, Eric.
Save.
Let's take it. Let's take the parlor games.
All right.
Let's go for parlor
Parlor games for
Yeah.
Eric. Open the 2
Why
doors for Eric. Go again.
Let's try number 2.
Green take.
You haven't seen that. How about try number 24?
Microwave oven. Margaret.
Okay, let's try number 6, please.
Dining set.
And number 20, please.
No,
Oh,
that's
I
that
did it
cedar
again.
chest.
I'm back to that cedar
You keep
chest.
going to that cedar
I know,
chest.
I've never had one. I'd love to have one.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Come in handy down there in Tarpon Springs.
Yes, it would indeed.
Yeah.
Yes, it would. Remember
one.
that, Eric.
I remember that. Can we see what's under number 20, please?
Cedar chest.
And, oh, hello.
You remembered it,
number
Eric.
15?
You remembered the cedar chest.
No,
and you're trying to match it up with a dining set. Margaret,
Let's go with number 6, please.
you faked him right out on that.
Thank
she
you,
sure
Eric.
did.
And number 15.
There you go, dining room set.
Okay.
2 panels swinging open for Margaret. No,
Oh, I can't do that. That's the wrong game.
that's the wrong game. Yes.
I know. I'm sorry.
All right, get ready. Now you can do it. Get set to ring in.
I can ring in?
Yeah, but not right now.
Oh.
Wait. We'll start revealing, and when the little green light goes on, then you can ring in. But get your hand ready.
Oh.
He might be faster than you. Number 2. Now Margaret's in.
The almighty dollar.
Is it the almighty dollar? Yes, you rang in just at the right time, and you solved the puzzle, and you get to go to the board. You did very well on that.
Thank you.
In fact, you were terrific.
This is going to be bad over here. You know that.
No, it's not going to be bad at
Want to
all.
see the trip?
You solved it, so go
Okie
for it.
dokie. We have the word the all, plus the M, plus the I of the needle, plus the golfer's tee. The doll and the ear. The almighty dollar.
Almighty dollar. That's good enough for us today. And Eric, 1 strike only, so we'll see you in the next game.
Yes, you will. Yes, you
All
will.
right. Margaret,
Yes, sir.
let's hear about your prizes. Gene's going to tell you right now. Take a look over here and we'll show you.
A dining set. Bassett's Country Living dining room set with 2-tone finishes, practical and durable. Included in this versatile ensemble is a sideboard base and hutch, rectangular table, and 4 ladder-back chairs furnished by Bassett. A prize worth $2,610.
Prize, Margaret. And 3/4 of a minute on the clock when we return to play for the car. Margaret, turn it around. Stop fooling with us now. Here are the 15 numbered squares. Here's the clock with 45 seconds. Just win the car. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 2,
Yes.
8, 10,
No.
11, 13,
No.
3, 8,
No.
6, 4,
No.
12, 1,
No.
15, 3, 14, 5,
No.
10, 9,
No.
4, 13.
Did you like my system?
Your system wasn't much better than my system.
You're right. You've got $8,575 in prizes, and we've got to take a break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Bushnell's Wide View Spectator Binoculars, Instafocus System, and Poro Prism. A perfect choice for sporting events. Get every dramatic action-packed moment furnished by Bushnell. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Take care. We'll see you next time.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.